I still can't believe I used to do this by hand. Now it takes less than 5 minutes without destroying my back. I'll never clean on my knees again.
Scooby-Doo, pa, pa, y el pum, 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 y el pum, 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 y el pum, 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 y la cosa suena ra, 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 ra. Scooby-Doo, pa, pa, y el pum, 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 pum. Tú quieres juca, pásamelo 20, tú quieres juca, pásamelo 20, tú quieres juca, pásamelo 20, si no, te voy a romper. Life goes on and 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 on. On and 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 on. On and 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 on. On and 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 on. Babe, you best believe it.
Look at that. That is beautiful. Hot damn. Guess what I bought?
You guys raved about it so much in my last video that I'm gonna give it a shot.
All right, here we go. There goes the crackhead that I see each morning. Oh, that is magnificent.
Actually, I already had this, but yeah, I wanna give it another shot.
All right, now we gotta do the whole damn shower. Oh, how cute. Squirt it down with some hot water. She's like a brand new woman. You're sexy. Just FYI, I did not let this shower get this bad, so don't come at me, Karen. We're done. I know we're supposed to like finish with Windex, but I saw somebody do Rain-X and that makes sense to me.
Spray a little bit here.
And then we wipe. Let's see if this shit works. Rolls off like butter. And we are done. Look how beautiful.
I can't give up my trust. Said you're working to change that, but just bear with me. You gotta bear with me. Oh, bear with me. Oh, baby, just bear with me. You gotta bear with me.
A client recently dropped off at my shop this super cool vintage sofa and chair to clean. I started by pulling out all of this dust and cat hair. I mean, it was everywhere. Then it came through and started vacuuming. It was pretty dusty. I assume this sat in the living room for a very long time. You can see here that both pieces actually have some pretty severe sun fading, which is pretty normal with older pieces like this, and unfortunately, cleaning will not remove that. Thankfully, my client understood and was not looking for a miracle. They just wanted it freshened up and steam cleaned. Overall, this piece was in pretty good condition, except for this little corner here that had a little dark spot. I gave it a quick spray and scrub, and then a flush, and it looks as good as new. Once I was done steam cleaning, I let it dry overnight, and now it's ready for the client to enjoy.
This is your reminder to change your microwave charcoal filter. You're supposed to change the filter every 6 months. So while I wait for my new one to come, I'm going to just clean this one.
That's how you do it, shit, like.
Show me the cleaning hack that everyone needs to know because their lives will be better after knowing it. I'll go first. This window and mirror cleaning hack is the best. All you need is a Swiffer mop, the glass cleaner of your choice, and a microfiber polishing cloth. Let's clear off all the crap from my counters. Then let's spray the mirror. Then you attach the polishing cloth to the Swiffer mop, just having it held in by the little holes. It's fine to have some overhang because that will stay dry for a second pass. Then, just like a professional window cleaner, you can clean and polish up your mirror, glass, whatever. And it is so freaking easy.
This is a friendly reminder to clean out your dryer vents. I do this once a year, and by the looks of this, I should probably be doing it every few months. In the past few years, there have been upwards of 15,000 home fires due to dryer vents. There were almost 500 injuries reported, including some deaths, and an upwards of $240 million worth of home damage. This is something so preventable, as this only took me 15 minutes. And the bonus is now my clothes are going to dry faster.
Watch me clean my dirty $1 room. Must make a bigger mess in order to clean the mean and dirty clothes. Trash. Shoes. Random things. Vacuum. Vacuum. Put clothes away. Progress dresser will be done in PT. PT. 2 of cleaning my room. Put everything away. Move everything off so we can wipe it down. Put everything back. Dead flowers. Almost done. Finished it off camera. So cute again.
When you knock over your hot chocolate onto cream carpet 1 hour before the people buying your house come for another viewing. What do I expect this wet wipe to do? Oh my Christ. T-minus 40 minutes. Dr. Beckman, please, for the love of God, help. Is it getting darker? 25 minutes before they arrive. I'm sweating with 5 minutes to spare, but the carpet cleaner has done the job.
Hi friends. So this is just going to be your reminder to clean your agitator. I tried that water bottle trick and it did not work for me. It was a little bit too wide. So thank you to the person who recommended me putting boiling water on this to help me get the agitator off, because I previously could not. And I also went under it with a knife under that lip and popped it up a little bit, so that also helped a lot. So thank you for that. Again, I did get this washing machine from a friend, so I need some love. Oh my god. Oh my god. So of course we are putting that shit in bleach. Diluted bleach, but I was tempted to just full strength that shit. And I'm gonna let this sit while I just work on the rest of the washing machine and that middle agitator using some Clorox bleach, bathroom cleanup spray. There was some shit in the middle of this that I had to go in and, you know, get out, spraying it with a shit ton of Clorox. This is disgusting. Oh my god. I didn't even know what an agitator was. I didn't know you could clean this, so thank you, TikTok cleaning community, for letting me know about this. This is insane. And if you didn't watch my first video of me cleaning by washing machine and my dryer, then you might not know that I did get this washing machine from a friend. They had an extra one in their garage and I did not have the money to buy a new one at that moment when mine broke down. So I'm super thankful and just giving it some love. Oh my gosh, I couldn't get those out with like by scooping it up with my hands, so I did have to run a short rinse cycle to get rid of that water so I could clean up that whatever it is. And now it's time to take on this disgusting monster. I used Dawn antibacterial orange dish soap and just went after this with this really tough scrubby brush. I thought that the black stuff that you see this rim right here, I thought it was just on the top, like, of this outside device. No, it's its own layer of gunk. Oh my god, I don't even know what this stuff is. So yeah, I thought I could just wipe off that top layer with my finger, and then I was like, oh no, I have to put on gloves. I don't know what this is. And it was really hard to get out, so I did end up having to get one of those like straw cleaners and put Dawn dish soap on that and just kind of go to town and take it piece by piece. It was quite time consuming to do this, but the washer was on its rinse cycle anyway, so whatever. Look at all that crap that comes out and she's clean. Oh my god. Also, the poll about whether or not you guys want my chaotic boyfriend to do a voiceover, it's an overwhelming yes, so that will be coming as soon as we can. Bye friends.
When your bathroom smells like boy pee but you have company coming over, shaving cream helps get rid of that odor, especially in the grout. Pour some cleaner into the toilet bowl scrubber and then put it back in the corner of the bathroom. Add a little detergent or fabric softener to the back of the toilet. A few drops of essential oils on cotton balls and stick those back in the toilet paper roll. I'm using all citrus and lemon scents. Tape a car air freshener to the inside of a trash can and put that bad boy back. Your guests will have no idea that your boys have terrible aim.